Danielle again, hello. I don't know if I even opened the vlog, but if not, hello. Welcome to another vlog in London, another one, to the collection of London vlogs. Yeah, basically we just went out for dinner at Wetherspoons, and yeah. Okay, so anyways, I tried to vlog on my actual camera, but memory is full, which is great. So I will continue on my phone again. So anyways, we just went out for dinner. I forgot to vlog it once again. I will put a picture of the food. We're going to a play called Bat Out of Hell. Yeah, there are so many people watching me, but I'm back in London. And I've missed Amy as well. It's been too long. Yeah, that's what's up. Thought I would update you. I'm gonna be vlogging this whole trip. Peace out.
Is that your end?
No, just like slap it. To be like. I've also come back to the spot where I met Harry tomorrow a year ago, which was there with the splashy thing. It's been a year. Tomorrow it's been exactly 1 year. I'll come back here tomorrow and cry. I miss him. Okay, so it's pretty dark, but we're in the theater right now. Look at our view. These tickets only cost us like £25. And they're originally 65, so yay to us. Can I even film here?
Too late now.
Can't go back now, can I?
But you have to turn them on when it starts.
Yeah, imagine filming the whole thing. Okay, little update. We were just laying in bed, wearing my Harry merch shirt because that's what I wear in bed. And then the list already had how many people? 50 people for the Prem, which is tomorrow. So that means we're going there now to, you know, get a number. Hopefully even get front row. It's 12:30. Oh, jeez. And then we're going back to the hotel, which is Easy Hotel Victoria, if you want to get some cheap hotels. How are we feeling, Amy?
Tired.
Same. I was not prepared for this. I just wanted to go to sleep now. We were supposed to get up at 4 anyway, so hopefully we can, once we get the numbers, we can go back at like 7 in the morning, but we'll have to see. There's Danielle and Floor. We're all very excited, aren't we? Hello, and a very good morning to day 2 in London. We are in the hotel room. Look at our view, it's absolutely gorgeous. So we have Amy looking also very gorgeous. So yeah, last night we went down to get numbers. I'm number 55. Yeah, amazing. Now we're just getting ready now, and then we're gonna head to the premiere and wait for everyone to arrive, and then I will talk to you again. We're at the premiere. Hello. And there's everybody. Yeah, Tom arrived, Henry arrived. Now we just wait.
Which was enormous fun. And through the canals of Paris. Did you ever think, does this need to be me?
I'm not
Commercial success itself. How does that affect?
Keep it going.
Guys, this song is so funny.
Are you kidding? Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, reaction. Is this? No, I think he's a human, he is Superman. Oh my god, how can someone look like this? Some gods have shaped this head. Oh my god.
Movie anywhere else in 5 years?
Thank you.
Hey, no worries. You're
filming. Yeah, I'm filming.
You want to do it? Okay.
Yeah, okay, I video.
Tell me, it's kind of like news. You look
amazing.
It's a good suit, very good
1996 till now to return for a second mission.
Is it recording? Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. I don't think I have filmed after the premiere, but we met Amanda.
Henry Cavill helped us
Oh, wait.
out.
So like about a minute ago, Henry Cavill, we waited at the after party to meet Henry again, and he didn't want to take photos. He was like, "I'm so sorry, guys," and he shook our hands. So this hand has been taken by the one and only Superman. But we also met. I don't think I filmed after we met Amanda. I'll put a picture right here. She was so lovely. We love her. It was a good day today. So we met Tom, Henry, Amanda, Rebecca. Rebecca didn't do photos though, but Henry again. Yeah, we did. Yeah, Henry twice. Henry is some fine piece of Yeah, he's good looking. He's very good looking. It's like two gods crafted him. It's like 1:30 now, and we're going back to the hotel now. Sorry, I'm vlogging. You're like, what are you doing? We're going back to the hotel now and get some sleep because we have to check out at about 10? 10, yeah. So we're gonna get an Uber again. We've been Ubering the whole day today, by the way. We have to like calm down on the Ubers. It's gonna be expensive. Thank you for watching for today, and bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Thank you. Can I also have one? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. No, I'm good. Thank you, Dominic. Thank you. See you in a bit. Hi, can I get a picture so maybe? Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. See you at the premiere.
Stolen someone's
Is that okay if I take a picture?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's pleasure to meet you. Sorry. Sorry, I don't want to mop. Can I get one as well, please? You really gotta get going. Thank you. Good morning. I don't think I filmed anything yesterday. Today is Saturday. No, it's Sunday. Is it Sunday? It's Sunday today. It is currently 5:30 in the morning. The Mamma Mia premiere is tomorrow, and they're handing out wristbands today at 9 a.m. And we thought it would be a bit early to get good numbers because the venue is Hammersmith Apollo, the venue where I saw Harry here. And Harry is currently, at this very moment, he is having his final show in LA. I'm feeling emotional, so I thought I'd just, support my man whenever I can. Yeah.
But you can't sing different on my bedroom floor. But you can't sing different on my bedroom floor.
Hello! We're back again. Hello, that's Sarah. She hasn't been in the vlog yet. Hello! We just came out of the train station. We're in Oxford Circus. Where is Scott? Anyways, here we are. So we got wristbands this morning. Well, I have number 31. And so the premiere is tomorrow. It's too crowded. It is too crowded here. Look how busy it is. It's very busy. And there are lots of people looking at me, but I honestly don't care. So yeah. Thanks for getting a rush as well. Thank you. Mood.
2 minutes remaining, let's go. Come on.
We're at the premiere. Everyone's gonna arrive very soon. Sorry for not updating. Yeah, we're excited.
Together from the decade, and it finally became a time we said, maybe we should try it. The cast is kind of on script,
And the music. The music.
Hello. Oh, we videoing. Yeah. Hello. Hello. So nice to meet you. I love video here, by the way. It's so cute. Yeah. I wanted to go to like signing, was it Saturday? And I couldn't go. Oh, my goodness. Can I get a picture of you?
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. And can we get a photo with you? Is that okay? Sorry. I love the dress, by the way. You look amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I get a photo of you as well, maybe? Like I'm like Harry's on my pops. Thank you so much. You both look amazing. Enjoy the film. Thank you. Bye. That's an optional, man. Yeah. Okay, so I just met Harry's mom and Gemma. My wig is gone. What the fuck? I was not expecting that at all. My wig flew all the way to Africa. Bye bye. Oh, I'm coming tomorrow, so I'll probably see you again. Can I get a picture maybe? Thank you so much. Thank you. Just gonna go in as well. I love the dress, by the way. You look amazing. You're welcome. So sweet. Thank you. Hello guys. It has been a while since I talked to you. I have officially failed at vlogging this trip. I feel like I have to talk through everything in this little clip. But it's currently 1:30 midnight. It's my room, easy to tell. Things in here. Oh, it's nice and cold though. Light gonna go on? There we go. Anyways, hi guys, long time no talk. Basically what happened. Okay, so the premiere, the Mamma Mia premiere was today. It is Monday today, by the way. I arrived on, I have to be quiet though because it's midnight. I arrived on Thursday and it is Monday now and we're leaving tomorrow morning. Okay, so the Mamma Mia premiere was shit. We got the residence at 9, number 31. You had to choose in which plane you wanted to be. It was the shittiest span ever. We honestly got none of the big names. We didn't meet Meryl Streep, didn't meet Pierce Brosnan, didn't meet Cher, didn't meet Colin Firth, didn't meet Lily James, did not meet Amanda Seyfried, but we did meet Amanda. Did I tell you that? I also don't know. We met Amanda like a few days ago at a hotel. So then yesterday and the day before we also went to the hotel a few times and we met some other actors. You've seen the clips already, I think. And then today, the actual premiere, I was not expecting anything. Someone gave me the guest list and Gemma, as in Gemma Styles, was on there. And I was like, what even, like, how is Gemma even, like, I was like shook. Most people who are on the guest list aren't even going. And then one of my friends texted me, so Gemma and Anne are going. It's on Gemma's Instagram story and Anne posted it on her page on Instagram. And that's when I was getting so nervous because, like, I don't know if you've seen my Dunkirk Harry meeting video where I talked about meeting Anne, like recording. I thought it was recording and we posed for a photo and then she walked away and then I realized I did not press record. So now I did press record, thank God. So you've probably seen the clip of me meeting them. I'm honestly in shock. Like, for me, it's a pretty big deal. I admire Anne and Jem a lot. It's just that they're so supportive to Harry and I have a Harry pop socket on my phone. So they laughed at that. I was like, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I even have Harry on my pop socket and they had to laugh. They found it very funny. It was such a good night. We just got some McDonald's today. Just chilled with friends again at the hotel. And so here I am. It's nearly 2. Our bus to the airport tomorrow leaves at 5. So that means I have like 2.5 hours of sleep if I'm lucky. I do need to pack my suitcase before because look at that. That's just such a mess. This is mine, that's like my sister's. But I think this will be the last clip of the vlog. I'm so sorry for being so bad at this vlog. I did not film a lot, but I still hope you enjoyed it. I will be more active on YouTube very soon again. I've just had a little break because I had to work loads the past few weeks, but the next 2 weeks I have loads of time to film and make more content for you people watching me and find me very nice. And thank you so much for watching, and I am sleep deprived, so I'm going to sleep. Good night, and I will see you very soon with, I think, after this video I will probably upload the concert series part 3, and then I'll upload my Monorexia merchandise collection part 2. And then I'm going to sleep now, guys. It's really late, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon with new videos.